Hi students, good morning. Okay. So now 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks, when per day 4 classes. Okay, so you want to work more than more. Okay. So daily do your homework on time. That is your duty. If unable to do your homework in any something problem, mobile problem or your situation went to outside, okay, you inform to teacher. Okay, so daily teachers will call you to homework defaulters, not all. Okay, to homework defaulters. Some students are not obeying teachers' words. They didn't send homework, but you inform to your parent. What is that? I sent him. What is this? We are working for you, not your parents. You only responsible for your work. You only want to do. If any problem in for online classes, your parent will support. Okay, so avoid some mistakes. Okay, so obey teacher's words and do the work on time. That is your duty. Now, when the school open, we don't know. Maybe September or October, we don't know. But surely next week, March, exam is there. Okay, so keep it in mind, do the work on time. Now, I will give per day 2 homework, 2 sums or 3 sums, 4 sums only give the homework. Okay, so avoid the usage of mobile for other activities, chatting, game. I know about you, so keep it in mind. So I think waste of time. Okay, right. So next topic, pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Already you learned linear equation in 1 variable, linear equation in 2 variables, linear equation in 2 variables, 8th standard linear equation into 1 variable, 9th standard linear equation in 2 variables. Now, pair of linear equation. Pair means what is that? Jodi, in 2. Okay. Equations in 2 variables. Now 2 equation in 2 variables. We want to find the solution of this equation. Right. Here, solution 2 methods are there. One is graphical method. Then another one is that is algebraic methods. Here many methods are there. Algebraic method. Okay. Then next in algebraic methods, substitution method. First one, substitution method. Many methods. We want to find the solution of this equation. 2 methods are there. One is graphical method, another one is algebraic method. Okay, right. Graphical method, I will explain. By graph, we want to find the solution. Right. Next is substitution method. Substitution method. Then elimination method. Then cross multiplication method. cross multiplication method. Okay, solution, graphical method, solution, algebraic method. Two methods are there. Then the two methods in algebraic method, substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method is there. Now, so it is not for this academic year. Cross multiplication deleted for this academic year. Only this academic year. Okay, 2021. Right. In graphical method, first we want to find what is the conditions for solution. Okay, in this chapter, board problem is there. First, standard form of linear equation in two variables. It is not. Okay, standard form of linear equation, pair of linear equation, in two variables, a1 x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 it is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is a general form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, here a, b, c are constant. Where a, b, c are constant, a, b, c are real numbers, and where a, b, and c are real numbers. Okay, now, and a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. A means a1, the a means a represents a1 and a2, b represents b1 and b2, c represents c1 and c2. Right. Here a and b, a1 and b1, a2 and b2 are not equal to 0. General form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a general form. Okay, it is first equation, it is second equation. Here a, b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. Why? If a is equal to 0, the x terms will be deleted. So we have only one variable. But our topic is pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables. So only the condition is given, right? So next one major concept in, before going to find the solution, we want to check consistent or inconsistent. What is consistent? நிலையானது. Inconsistent, நிலையற்றது. So consistent, we can find a solution. Inconsistent, if unable to find the solution now, the solution type is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay. Now, page number 46. Page number 46, one table 3.4 is given. Okay. Right. If two equations are there, if the topic is there, maybe there. Right. So first one. Compare the ratio. Compare the ratio. Ratios. Okay. Next, graphical representation. Next, algebraic interpretation. Right. Okay, two equations are there, no? Two equations. Right. First one, two equations. A1x, B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. It is a pair of linear equation in two variables. Right. So first we compare the ratio. First one, A1 divided by A2 ratio is not equal to B1 divided by B2. A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. So the two ratios are not equal. Two ratios are not equal means the graphical representation, the graph எப்படி இருக்கும்னா intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay, so in algebraic method if we find means exactly one solution. Otherwise unique two solution. Exactly one solution, another one is unique two solution. Unique two solution. Next, if A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. Okay, if not equal means the graphic representation is intersecting lines, exactly one solution. ஒரே ஒரு solution மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். Right. If A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. So all the coefficients, all the ratios are equal. A1 divided by A2, B1 divided by B2, C1 divided by C2. All ratios are equal. The graphic is coincident or coincide. Coincident. Okay. C-O-I-N-C-I-D-E-N-T. Coincident. Okay, lines. Coincident means, okay, intersecting line means it is intersecting lines. The two lines are intersecting at one point. It is a solution. The point is called the solution. Okay, coincident means it is one line is there. If another one line is on the same line. Okay, so many solutions are there. Okay, where is the solution? It is one line. It is also one line. The two lines, it is the equation number 1, it is equation number 2. The two equations are on same line. Coincident. Okay. But here only one point of intersection. So here also exactly one solution. Here on line many solutions are there. In 9th standard you learn it. Okay. So on the line there is a point in a solution. Here many solutions are there. Okay. So infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. How many solutions are there? Many solutions are there. Infinitely many solution. Next, third one, A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2. A1 divided by A2, B1 divided by B2 are equal, but that is not equal to C1 divided by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, it is the graphical representation parallel lines. Here no solution. Here no solution. Okay, no solution. Very clear. If first two ratios are not equal, we no need to check third ratio. Okay. The graphical representation is intersecting lines. The solution is exactly one solution, that is unique solution. Second one, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, so the graphical representation is coincident lines. Coincide. The two lines are coincide. The third one. So solution is infinitely many solutions. How many solutions are there? Many solutions are there. We can write many solutions. Third one, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. These parallel lines, no solution. Parallel lines, no solution. Okay. So these two are first two are, we can find the solution. We can find the solution. Okay. So the two concept is consistent. That two are consistent. These two are consistent. Okay, it is inconsistent. If inconsistent means we cannot find the solution. Okay, here also solution is there. Here also solution is there. So these two the two type is consistent. Consistent. The solution type is consistent. We can find the solution, but if there is no solution, so it is inconsistent. It is inconsistent. Now next, so it is remembering. It is remembering. Okay. Now exercise 3.2, second one, first. Okay, so once I wrote it, I didn't drop it. Okay, so for reference, it is keep it. Okay, right. First sum. Two equations are there. I will explain the question. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. Okay, so equation graph எப்படி இருக்கும், intersect ஆகுமா, two lines parallel இருக்குமா, parallel means it is parallel, equal distance. Okay, parallel இருக்குமா இல்ல coincident ஒரே லைன்ல இருக்குமா அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது. இப்போ நம்ம கிராஃப் டிரா பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே இந்த ரேஷியோஸ் கம்பேர் பண்ணி சோ அந்த கிராஃப் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படிங்க நம்ம செக் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சோ அப்ப கிராஃப் டிரா பண்ணும்போது இந்த இன்டர்செக்ட் you want to intersect on graph sheet, the two lines must be intersect. Okay, otherwise something mistake, you will easily find it. Right, first one, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Another one equation, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, two equations are there. So graph I will explain later. For this question, graph no needed. Okay, so many 1 marks asking from this topic only. Consistent or inconsistent, intersecting or coincident or parallel. Okay, this type only asked. Okay, so keep in mind, please understand it. Right, it is A1, it is B1, it is C1, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. You can write the ratio first. A1 5 by 7 minus 4 by 6, 8 by minus 9. 8 by minus 9. Okay, first you write the ratio. Next equal or unequal, we will find it. Right. 5 by 7, 4 by 6. Are they equal? It is not equal. So first condition is not equal now. No need no need to find third one. So first you write 5 by 7 minus 4 by 6. These two are not equal. Not equal in which condition? First one. So for intersecting lines. So intersect, the graph intersect. Okay, that's the answer. It is 1 mark. Okay, first you compare first two ratio. First two ratios are equal means then go for third one. Here first two are not equal, so don't want to check third one. Okay, so this one write it. This one no need. You already wrote it. Okay, before starting exercise 3.2 you wrote it. Okay, then for each question no need this one. For each question no need this one. Okay, so just for reference I keep it here. Right. Next, second one. (9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0). Okay. Then 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Right. Solution. Ready. A1 by A2. B1 by B2. First you check it. Are they equal? But now I think it is not equal. If any possible to simplification, you reduce it. Any possible to simplification, you reduce it. 1 9 is 9. 2 9s are 18. So 1 by 2. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. So 1 by 2. So it is equal. Now you write it equal. Simple. Now write it. Okay. So if first two are equal, so next you check last one. Last one what is it? 12 by 14. First you 12 by 24. First you write it. 12 by 24. 12 by 24. Okay, 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are. So by it is also equal. Now you here write it. Last question we cannot simplify. So keep it same. Now here we can simplify. If simplification is there, you want to divide. 9 by 18, 1 by 2. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. 12 by 24, 1 by 2. So all are equal. So which one? If all the are equal, now the graph is coincide. Okay, so intersect or parallel or coincident. So it is coincident. It is coincident. So if coincident, what is the solution? Algebraic method solution, what is that? Infinitely many solution. It is consistent or inconsistent? Coincident, infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution means we can find a solution. So it is consistent. It is consistent. So one by one asking. Right. Next one. Third one. Third one. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So solution. Right? 6 by 2 minus 3 by minus 1. 6 by 2 minus 3 by minus 1. First you do. Any simplification is do it. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So 3 by 1. The minus cancel. So 3 by 1. So the first two are equal, no? If first two are equal, next to go for last one. 10 by 9. Any possibility to reduce? No. Because it is consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers, there is no common factor, so we cannot reduce. So it is not equal to 10 by 9. Okay, so which one is satisfied here? Last one. So last one, what is that? Parallel lines. So parallel lines, what is the solution type? No solution. So it is consistent or inconsistent? Inconsistent. So what is question? 3 answers we can give. It is co-parallel lines. It is no solution. It is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Okay, students, this class is enough. Thank you. If unable to understand means you once again watch the video or call to me, no problem. Okay, don't hesitate. Okay, that is your for reference. This video only for reference. If unable to understand means you can approach to me, no problem. Thank you.